My version of this dish is a little bit sweet, a little bit creamy, and a whole lot of delicious. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I want to take you through my recipe for a creamy white chicken or turkey chili. We need to build some flavors, so let's head over to the stovetop and begin. Let's get our pot all warmed up with a little bit of oil on the bottom as I'm going to add in my onion and my green pepper. We are just cooking this down and seasoning with salt and pepper so that we soften it up and get those flavors to start coming out. You know you're ready to continue building when your onions are translucent. Add in your chicken or turkey, some stock. As well, we need to start building our seasonings and flavors here. So I'm going to use a bunch of garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, and let's get those beans in there. White kidney beans I'm using for this one. Now, this funny looking thing is a can of creamed corn. I just love the sweetness and the creaminess that it adds to this dish. I'm also going to add in a few dollops of plain Greek yogurt and mix it all around and let it cook down for 20 to 30 minutes. You're ready. That was pretty easy, right? This bowl is full of beautiful flavors, and feel free with a recipe like this to add your own flavor profiles. You know, if you want to use green peppers, no spice. If you want to do chilies or jalapenos, add a little heat in there. If you don't like that cumin flavor, maybe do some red pepper flakes instead. Give yourself a treat in a bowl and enjoy some white chicken or turkey chili. I'm not gonna talk with my mouth off. I'm gonna go finish this bowl because I'm ready for some comfort food today. Thank you for coming by the Silly Kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.